Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your home for the road's finest machines. Today, we're diving into the future-forward 2026 Honda Accord, a car that refuses to let sedans fade into the shadows. Honda has made it clear, the Accord is not going anywhere. In fact, it's coming back smarter, sleeker, and more sophisticated than ever. From the first glance, the 2026 Accord demands attention. It builds on the bold styling introduced in recent years but sharpens everything. A wider stance, thinner LED lighting, and a cleaner, more aerodynamic profile make the sedan look like it's gliding even when it's standing still. The front fascia is low and aggressive, with the hexagonal grille and subtle chrome accents a Honda's way of whispering refinement, not shouting it. Under the hood, Honda offers familiar options, but with a twist. The base trims come with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, refined for smoother delivery and better fuel economy. But the real star of the lineup is the improved hybrid powertrain. It's now more responsive, with an upgraded two-motor system paired to a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine. Honda claims better acceleration, higher efficiency, and smoother transitions between gas and electric drive. For those waiting on all-wheel drive, it's still front-wheel only. But for daily driving and road trips alike, the Accord still nails balance and control. Inside, Honda pushes the midsize sedan segment further into premium territory. The cabin feels wider and more open, thanks to a lower beltline and minimalist dashboard. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen is now standard across most trims, running Honda's latest infotainment interface with Google built in. That means Google Maps, Assistant, and Play right at your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included too. Of course, the digital instrument cluster is sharp and customizable, and the new head-up display on top trims keeps your eyes on the road. Physical climate controls remain a small but important win for usability. Materials feel upscale, especially in the Excel and Touring trims, where leather, contrast stitching, and real metal accents elevate the experience. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and USB-C ports, making the Accord a true family-friendly cruiser. Safety is still a core part of the Accord's DNA. The 2026 model comes with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, including updated adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a smarter traffic jam assist system that handles low-speed stop and go with ease. Honda's engineers have also improved the camera and radar systems for better object detection and smoother automated responses. So where does that leave us? The 2026 Honda Accord isn't just another refresh, it's a statement. In an era where SUVs dominate, Honda is doubling down on a vehicle that blends style, tech, performance, and efficiency in a way few others can. For drivers who still believe in the magic of a well-balanced sedan, the Accord remains a legend, one that keeps rolling. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the legends of the road. This is Rolling Legends, and we'll see you in the next one.